this video we'll be creating this loading using HTML and CSS. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is Codecraft. You can learn coding fastly and efficiently. I've created HTML and CSS file and I'll link this as well in my HTML file. The first thing is here I will create a div and the class name will be its loading. And next inside this I will create 12 div using the CSS functionality, and that's I think all. And I will name it the class name will be one by one. First name will be its bar1, and that's all in the HTML. I'll go to my CSS here. The first thing I will select body and style for it. The first thing will be display flags and justify content center, and a line item will be center. The pin height will be 100 ph. Background color will be black. Next I will select the loading. First position will be relative, and the width will be 54 pixel and height will be 54 pixel, and also the border radius will be 10 pixel. Next I will select the div inside the loading div. The first thing I will say the width will be 8%. Next height 24%, and background will be RGB. This will be 128. Position absolute, left 50, top 30, opacity will be 0, border radius 50, box shadow will be I think 003 pixel, and RGBA 00 and 0 will be 40. Next I'll say animation. It will be fade 1 second, linear, infinity. Now I'll create the animation. Add keyframe, animation will fade from, and this will be opacity 1, opacity will be 0.25. The next I'll say in the loading class I'll select the first bar, will be transform, rotate 0, translate 0 and -1, 30%, and also the animation delay will be I think 0. I will simply copy this, Ctrl C. Now that's all. I will go to my browser. Now I have to, this is RGB, and I will go to my browser again, and you can see, but I think one thing is missed, and only one div here. I will find it. This will be 300 and 330. That's good. I will go to my browser again, and there we go. We have made this loading using HTML and CSS, and If you like the video, press the like button, so press the subscribe button. I have a bunch of contents in my channel. You can check out this in the playlist somewhere, and thanks for watching the video.